L&T Hazira is an example of how globally fabrication needs a transformation to survive. The old thinking was, how could replacing 200 people from a total manpower of 5,500 be significant? Well, the project execution schedule accelerated from 2 months behind to 1 month ahead. Almost $6 million of liquidated damages was saved, enabling a 2-month system payback. The crux of this transformation was a mouse hole, critical for all offshore platform fabrication. Till date, this is the first and only system in the world able to plasma cut a mouse hole completely. Plasma cutting of mouse hole enabled the cutting cycle time, which was 3.5 hours manually, to be reduced to 8 minutes on an average. Unlike automobile robots, RoboPlazma has to deal with a new job every time and not just a repetitive job. Large variations in raw material dimensions, errors in the input code itself, contract operators who are not even computer literate. To achieve this, the Bible of robotics had to be rewritten. This was done by increasing robotic intelligence. Our competitors say, if the robot can't reach it, we can't cut it. We say, if we see it, we cut it. This enables the limitation of robot arm reach to be surpassed for cutting the complex geometry of a mouse hole. The entire program structure was changed to a kind of floating database, enabling the robot to check, calculate, and reprogram itself on the fly as per the job. Shape recognition algorithms were developed that mimic the human brain's ability to distinguish patterns. RoboSwift reads the input code maps. It then creates an entirely different path with a cutting sequence to be able to achieve the mouse hole. It has self-checking and self-analyzing software that cross-checks the system for every cut. A new technique of plasma carving instead of just cutting through was used. The most difficult of all is that the robot itself is not accurate. So we have to map the errors of every robot and then work within the controller to correct these errors. Scrap reduces to 2 to 2.5% with automatic beam rotation nesting through RoboSwift software. Interestingly, the whole man versus robot conflict became redundant as manpower reduced from 200 to 9 people. Huge resistance from all contractors dissipated once they were able to see that their skilled welders can directly be deployed to increase welding throughput and not for cutting or grinding. Everyone made much more money.